Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 ProMaster. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have storage on the rear inside as well as roof racks. Now moving on to the interior of the ProMaster, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our lock and unlock mechanism. We have our window controls and rear lock, and then our speaker and storage below. Our gauge cluster. On the wheel we have our Ram badging, cruise control, and then phone controls. The wheels are also wrapped in black leather. And we have our infotainment screen, which displays an integrated reverse camera. We also have our radio, media, compass, phone controls, and then auxiliary inputs. Below that we have our menu controls as well as hazards, climate controls, USB and auxiliary input, our gear selection stock, and then we have our cup holder as well as two 12-volt charging ports and manual park brake. The front seats are featured in black fabric with gray in the lower portion. And then above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lights as well as storage. On the exterior, we'll see our alloy rims. We also have our rear sliding door. Then moving around to the back, we can see we have our ProMaster badging and the handle to open the rear door. Once we're inside here, you can see we have a storage shelf as well as a fire extinguisher with plenty of storage room. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 ProMaster. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.